and out 89 degrees.
Little Hilo, Hawaii is both the hottest and wettest spot in the nation. I guess that makes it the #1 destination for teenage boys. Eh, Victoria?
I guess so, Steve.
I just want to see my friend!
Wait a second, I know that guy.
You what? My dad died.
Look at her, a slutty, wicked stepmother. You can practically see through that dress.
I don't think so.
To my son, Ben, I leave my house, my business, and the remainder of the estate.
What?
You gotta be kidding me.
I need some air.
Was he even confident when he wrote this?
Your father was quite lucid.
I'm sorry, my suit was really itchy.
So I'm not mentioned in there at all?
It is just getting more and more intense.
You were the squeaky wheel, so you got all the oil.
Yes, the best way to get the soda out of the bottle is to shake it and shake it and shake it.
It's a classic obstacle to a pioneer. It's like Galileo or Che or Jesus.
Mr. Baker, have you been having difficulty distinguishing between real and unreal?
My whole life. Are you afraid right now?
I feel alone in the universe. Except for Steve.
I don't think the issues of his life are your problem.
See, nobody believes in friendship. People talk about it. That's the thing about friendship. It's a lot rarer than love because there's nothing in it for anybody. Every time I think you're crazy, along comes the justice system.